Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Assalamualaikum
Assalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Okay, now my name. Let introduce my name. My name is Khalifah. And now I will assessment my my project. Yeah, you can call the
Yes, project.
the the podcast. And then now I will introduce the guest is my friend.
So now let me introduce myself. So my name is Aban Prabowo Justiawan. I was born at Kendari and Southeast Sulawesi, and then after that, I would like to tell you, I was invited to this podcast, and I would like to tell you some of my experience.
Okay, what's your experience today? Are there something like uh, exciting?
Yeah, maybe today there isn't, but there's a lot of experience that exciting at my Ramadan fasting holiday.
Okay. Wow, what is that? Can you tell me about that?
Alright, so I would like to tell you some of my experience, and that was so funny. So first thing first, did you know the Ramadan fasting holiday?
Yes, I know.
Yes, my experience began from that. So when already go outside in this boarding school, and then I want go to the airport, use car, and then on the way, I called my parents, and after that finally I came to the airport, and I waited in that airport about 2 until 3 hours, and after that when the airplane I want to board, I check on the TV information, and then I was so shocked. Why? Because that was a last call. That made me panic and worried. And after that, I go out from that gate, and I took her walking around of the any gate, and finally I found the gate. There's the name of my airplane. Oh, so the gate was get in changed in the another's gate. The and finally, um I was boarding at the airplane. Uh, Even though that was last call. So after that, finally I came out on my home, and my parents welcome happily to me. And then after that, I was so happy. I cause in my home, I had a very experience that was funny, and that was so exciting. So the experience, like such as I go to the beach, and in that beach I was so happy. Why? Cause I like played any any things like banana boat. Did you know what is banana boat?
Yes, I know. Like something banana in up of a sea can.
Yes, and then after that donut boat, and I
Yeah, I
played
know.
in that beach with another my with my family. And the others experience that was like walking at mall, and after that I was walking at mall, and then maybe uh, I uh, go to the mosque for here or get some religion study from Ustadz Khalid Basalamah. Did you know that,
Oh,
Ustadz?
yes.
Yeah, maybe my experience there I had in that Ramadan fasting holiday, that was too a lot, and maybe I like that because I was so happy in that holiday. And what about you? Did you has any experience that was exciting and funny?
Okay. In my holiday Ramadan,
Yes.
exactly like a little bit boring
Oh.
because I just like like cleaning the project and
Oh.
yes, but I go before one day before you.
Oh,
It mean
that was too fast.
yes, and then because my grandmother is go to Arab,
Oh.
Saudi Arabia, for doing some umrah.
Mm.
Nah,
Have you itikaf in Ramadan experience, Ramadan fasting holiday?
what?
Have you itikaf in Ramadan fasting
Yes,
holiday?
I ate calf, but
10
before
days.
10 days.
Full. Oh my gosh,
Oh,
that was so good.
okay. After I accompany her to airport,
Yes.
I go to Decathlon for buying some some exercise tools. After that, I go to dealership Suzuki for check some car. After I'm check the car, I mean my parents check the car. That's so good because that my father wanted to, my parents wanted to buy uh, that car, and then after that, I am wanted. I'm
Yes.
waiting for the new car, but I'm before that I'm itikaf first because that I didn't see the first time my new car.
Oh, did you wanna know my experience when itikaf?
Yes.
Nah, in itikaf, as if you know, I was itikaf at my mosque, at my old school mosque, and you know what? I meet a lot of my old friend,
Wow.
and there's one of my close friend. I was talk with him always, cause that was my close friend, and you know,
Your
in my
best friend.
not best but
Oh.
close, not really
Close.
best.
Oh.
And after that, in that mosque, I had got doing some tarawih prayer at night, and as if you know that tarawih prayers at that mosque is at 12 hours,
12
12
hour.
night midnight,
Oh,
at
midnight.
midnight, yes. And you know what, that was so, oh,
So.
yes, like I want to sleep again after I wake up.
Oh.
And did you has any experience when you itikaf?
Yes. That is so religion because in my mosque that is sunnah. Mosque of sunnah.
Like what? The sunnah.
Like you know Babu Salam Mosque?
Oh,
No.
not really, no.
Oh. Dari kan the SM, the what,
Hmm?
and the student ya.
Yes.
There is the religion is sunnah, and then because of that, in that in that moment, my I usually itu in that mosque I reading Al Quran and then salat because that my heart like so clean
Like so cold.
and calm. Yes.
Yeah, that was good at my experience at itikaf. I'm not really read Quran because I was played with my friend.
Same. My old friend has go there too, but just one or 2 days.
Oh,
After
this
that,
one.
he go again to his uh his town hometown.
His hometown. Oh, and what about your 8 when you
Wah, 8.
do that? Yes, 8 feet
Lah, before
at your
because
home.
before I'm eat prayers, I go to my grandma's home for eating rendang
Wow, that was so
with
good.
ketupat.
Oh,
Uh, That's so delicious because that's a recipe like from my grandmother to my grandmother again. So yummy.
You make me hungry.
Yes, now I'm hungry too.
Yeah, me too. And as you know, when I eat fitri that in my home, I'm I was came to
What?
my hometown.
Oh, hometown.
Yes. And what about you? Did you came in at your hometown?
Uh, usually,
Usually one.
I mean, like I have hometown,
Yes.
but there is no again who living on there because that my hometown now in Pesanggerahan. If not Pesanggerahan, in my front house.
In your front house. Oh,
Yes.
that was so near.
Yes, yeah.
And what about the when your experience at that holiday? Did you go to the some like refreshing?
Yes, I think yes, I go to refreshing because I'm
Yes.
I go with motorcycle with my dad and
Bicycle.
his his what friend,
With oh.
and then go to Curug. That was good.
Oh, that's great. And
Okay,
uh,
that's all
I
from
think
me.
yes, that's all
Yes,
from our
from our
experience.
experience, and
And the last we say,
say
thank you
thank
very
you very
much.
much.
And
And
wassalamualaikum
wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.